Oh my god. Oh, candles. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a huge, oh my god, it's actually really heavy, Bath & Body Works haul. That is right, you guys. I've got 2 bags here full of stuff from Bath & Body Works. I'm gonna haul it for you guys. I'm so excited. We got things for fall. We got some soaps. We got some nice smelly stuff. And we got some candles, y'all. It's gonna be good. So let's get into that. I don't want to waste any time because I want to show you guys what I got. And if you're new to this channel, then hello. I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description for you down below. So if you want to go follow me and check me out over there, I would really appreciate it. I don't know why I'm doing like this. But yes, thank you so much in advance. If you do check me out and follow me on Instagram, I really appreciate it. I love Instagram so much. But enough of that, let's jump into these. So as you guys know, I love seasonal things. You actually may not know that. I do though. I love seasonal things. Fall and winter, well, summer, fall, and winter are my favorite seasons. Spring is great too, but I'm not too much of a spring person, but I do love fall. I love fall and I love winter like Christmas, but I love fall. We're in fall. So I'm so excited. I can't wait for Halloween. October is going to be like the best month ever and I can't wait. So I got some stuff. Let's start off with this bag, and these are the soaps. So we'll start with these. These are 2 adorable soap holders. And it's got a little deer on it and a bear and a squirrel and a little fox. I love these little container holders. What am I even trying to say? I love these soap I love these soap holders. And then this one right here is just fall leaves on a tree, and it looks so nice. Very classic, super fall. I'm obsessed with these. So I'm gonna put one of these in my bathroom and one of these in the kitchen. So they'll look very nice in fall and I'm so excited about it. Now, moving on to lace soaps. So here, I'm gonna start off with these 2. I've got a few of them here actually, but I picked up the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin soap and I am so excited. All of these smell so good. This is Harvest Pumpkin, Spice Clove, and Sugarcane. Yes, I don't have the world's best nose. I really don't. I can't smell that good, but what I can smell, it smells super good. So I got this one and I love the picture on it. It looks super cute in fall time. And then I got this one, which is called the Perfect Autumn, and this is by the brand The White Barn, and this is the same brand where the candles are from. And this one is fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, and crisp apple. This one literally smells divine. I know divine's kind of like a, wow, that's a 25-cent word right there, but it really does smell so good. So, and I love the top. I love that it matches, like the little leaves on it with the gold glitters. It looks so cute and smells amazing. Next up, I got these 2 right here. This one I am so excited for. This one is called Blueberry Crumble. Oh my god, I am so in love. This is my favorite shade of blue. Like, this is my favorite shade of blue of all time. I love it. It's like a cerulean, I don't know what you would call it, but this is fresh blueberries, brown sugar glaze, and a dash of cinnamon. And it just, I love this. And I cannot wait to use this one. It looks so good. And then I got good old pumpkin apple. This one's super cute as well. I just love these hand soaps. And these are the foaming ones, by the way. This is Red Delicious Apples Fall Pumpkin with Clove Buds. Now, I don't know if I'll actually like this one that much because I don't really care for Red Delicious apples. I should have read that before I got this, but it's okay. I'll still use it because, I mean, they're not like super strong or anything, but I'm so excited about these. They look so cute. 2 more soaps. We're almost done with the soaps. I got 2 Halloween soaps. I'm so excited. This one is called Perfect Pumpkin, and as you can see here, it's got like a little jack-o'-lantern, a little cat, a moon, and it's adorable. It is carved pumpkin, spooky cinnamon, and moonlight vanilla, whatever that means, but it smells super good. I absolutely love love the Halloween soaps. They look so cute and they're just, oh my god, look at it. I love that. And then I got this one called Ghoul Friend, and this one looks so cute as well. This one's my favorite out of these two, and this one is Dark Strawberries, Ghostly Peony, and Spine Chilling Citrus. It smells so good and I love this one. So out of these, I think these three are my favorite. I love them all, but I think these three are gonna be my favorite ones. So those are all the soaps. We got more though. Ho ho, we have more. I've got to show you some candles. All right, we're on to the big bag here. Well, they're the same size bag, but this one's much heavier because it has the candles in it. Before I show you the candles, I want to show you this right here. You guys, I've never seen lotion look so pretty. Oh my god! This is, what was that? This is the Aromatherapy Sleep by Bath & Body Works. It's California Lavender, Sage, and Geranium. And, oh my god, look at this gradient. I saw this, and this was the last one there, you guys. I saw it, and then I picked it up, and I said, this is for me. And my mom goes, you don't even use lotion, Kenzie. I said, I know, but this is for me. And she goes, you really just like that because you think it's pretty. And I'm just like, I know, but this is for me. Like, I genuinely don't know if I'm going to even use this. And I know that is completely a waste. That is a waste. It's a waste of money. It's a waste. I don't know if I can bring myself to use this though, because look how gorgeous it is. I don't want to mess it up. And it hasn't even been like opened. Like, I'm afraid to mess it up. I really am. And I don't want the gradient to go away. So I don't know what to do. I don't know, but it's beautiful. And it's, if I don't end up using it, and I love the bottle is just beautiful. And if I don't end up using it, it's gonna go right back over there where it was before on my nightstand as decoration. Please don't judge me too harshly. Okay, on to the candles. I've got 4 for you, and trust me, I got these on discount. They were having a buy one get one free sale, so I got 2 of them online, and then 2 I got at the store because I had a coupon, then my mom had a coupon as well, so we had 20% off. I'm gonna show you the ones that I actually got in the store first. Okay, this one right here I actually got a few weeks ago, but I wanted to include it in this haul because it's still Bath & Body Works. But I did get this one a few weeks ago. This one is called Apple Weather. Like, what's apple weather? I don't actually know, but I have been burning this one already quite a bit, as you can tell. But this one, it just smells so good. It is apples, lavender leaf, cinnamon bark, and essential oil. It smells so good, y'all. Oh my god, it smells so good. And I got this one. I love these kind of containers, like the art on these, because I think they're really, really pretty, and I think they're really great for fall. So I got this one, super excited about this. I would not buy a Bath & Body Works candle. I would not buy a Bath & Body Works candle unless it was on sale, because this dude is $24. Like, hello? And then this one right here, I wanted literally more than any of them, and I could not find it to save my life. I actually went to my local Bath & Body Works and they were out. I tried to do it online and they were out. So my mom had actually gone to a Bath & Body Works in a different city, and it's pretty far away from me, but she was already in the area working. So she went into that Bath & Body Works and they had it, and I begged her to get it for me, and it is called Cider Lane. I wanted this one so bad. I burned this one last night. I got this one yesterday and I burnt it last night because I could not wait, and I was so excited. This one, oh my god, I love it so much. This one is warm caramel, Granny Smith apple, dark brown sugar, ground clove, and essential oil. If you want to have a fall candle, this, my friend, is your fall candle. I love this so much. I'm actually super obsessed with it, and I can't wait to burn this one again because it literally, again, I don't have the world's best nose, but it smells like caramel. Just straight up caramel to me, and with like, not like sickly sweet though, it's caramel, but like with a little bit of like tartness to it. Maybe that's the apple, but it's so good. Love it, would highly recommend. I like this one more than this one, but I do love this one too, but this one is just my favorite. I love it. Then the two that I actually got online, I just got these in today, like an hour ago, and I wanted to make sure I had these first before I filmed the haul video, and I haven't even really smelled these yet. Like I haven't burnt them or anything. This one right here, I actually don't know if this is a fall candle or not. I didn't really pay much attention, but it sounded really, really good. This one is called Sparkling Pear Riesling, and I loved the color, and then the inside is the same color. Like, I thought that it looked really, really pretty, and I actually thought this was more yellow on the website. It looks more green, but I actually thought it was more yellow. It's fresh pear slices, juicy white grapes, sweet Riesling, and essential oil. So it sounds like it'd be very promising, and the reviews were really good on it, so I can't wait to burn this one. I'm super excited about it. It looks really, really cool, and it sounds great. So even the color does remind me of fall. Like, it's not like a bright green, it's kind of like a olivey kind of yellow green, so it kind of still reminds me of fall. But this is one that I saw all over the internet. Like, everyone on Instagram was raving about this candle, and I was just like, alright, you know what, let me try and see. But this one is called Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. And I love the art on this so much. Look at the little fox. It looks literally so cute. And I don't know, are these White Barn candles as well? I don't actually know. Maybe these are Bath & Body Works branded, but I love the little fox. And I looked on the website, and this candle had like over 500 reviews, and it had 5 stars. And I was like, wow, if you have over 500 reviews and 5 stars, you must be super good. So it does smell really good. I read some reviews and they said that it does smell like food. It literally smells like pumpkin waffles, but it's not like sickly sweet, even though it is still sweet. It is maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, brown sugar, and essential oil. So it sounds delicious, like in the words of Kathleen, delicious. And I can't wait to burn this one. It sounds fantastic. So I'm gonna have to figure out in what kind of rotation. Maybe I'll be one of those people that puts a candle in each room. One in my bedroom, one in the living room, one in the kitchen, one in the other bathroom or something. I don't know, but I'm so excited. But that's it. That's my haul. I'm literally so happy with all of these. I'm so happy with all of these, and I cannot wait to use this soap. I'm actually gonna start using it right now because I didn't use any of it yesterday because I wanted to make sure it was in like pristine condition for me to film with. But now that I'm done filming, I'm going to literally swap out my other one and put these in their place. So yes, I'm so excited. But you guys, that has been my haul video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!